Welcome to CloudGarden Store. Enhance your plant's growth with our premium CloudGarden Epsom Salt fertilizer, designed to deliver essential nutrients for stronger, greener, and more vibrant plants. CloudGarden Epsom Salt fertilizer is rich in magnesium and sulfur, two vital nutrients that help improve photosynthesis, enhance nutrient uptake, and boost overall plant health. Perfect for all plants, our Epsom salt fertilizer helps produce healthier foliage, more vibrant blooms, and stronger root systems. It's ideal for your garden, whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or houseplants. Application is simple. Just sprinkle around the base of your plants or mix it into the soil. Your plants will absorb the nutrients they need to thrive. CloudGarden Epsom Salt fertilizer is the easy-to-use solution your plants need for long-lasting health and growth. Give your plants the care they deserve. CloudGarden Epsom Salt fertilizer, take your gardening to the next level.